This was a very big day, a very revealing day. As you see, their case is totally falling apart. They have nothing on books and records, and even something that should bear very little relationship to the case. It's just a disaster for the DA.
Former porn star Stormy Daniels took the stand for a tumultuous day of testimony in Donald Trump's hush money trial. Daniels testified for hours in what were often intense exchanges with prosecutors and defense lawyers. Judge Juan Merchan handed prosecutors a victory when he said the jury could hear details from Daniels about her alleged sexual encounter with Trump. She described in court what she said was their meeting and tryst at a golf tournament in 2006. Daniels had written about the alleged affair in a book she published in 2018. After the story first came to light. But the judge scolded prosecutors for drawing too many graphic details out of Daniels that were simply unnecessary for the jury to hear. And after the court took a lunch break, Trump's lawyers moved for a mistrial. They said Daniels' testimony had been, quote, extraordinarily prejudicial. The judge denied the request. Walking into the courtroom that morning, Trump had spoken out against the falsified records charges at the heart of the case. He said when he paid back his lawyer, Michael Cohen, the payments were properly listed as legal expenses.
You pay a lawyer expense payments. We didn't put it down as construction costs, the purchase of sheetrock, the electrical cost. The legal expense that we paid was put down as legal expense. There's nothing else you could say. You don't have to put down anything, I guess, but we put down legal expense was legal expense. Is that a correct statement, Mr. Attorney? And everyone's saying, oh, gee, that's the fraud. That's what they're trying to get us on, the fact that we call a legal expense.
The Daniels testimony and the testimony of other witnesses have highlighted a key challenge for prosecutors in the Democratic District Attorney's Office. They have to convince a jury that Trump himself is responsible for falsifying records related to the hush money payment. And so far, they've presented little evidence of that. Stormy Daniels' time on the witness stand could put the case at risk in other ways as well, including by making the jury feel sympathy toward Trump with her overly aggressive testimony. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.